You're in the market for a brand new 5700 XT card. But which one, right? Bam! In this video, I'm going to show you everything that comes inside of the box of the Asus TUF-3-RX5700XT-8GB EVO-GAMING card. That way you're not caught off guard when you get it home, you open up the box, I'm missing this or it doesn't fit in my case. You're going to find out everything here. So first off, just wanted to show you the box. In the front, we can see the card itself. Looks like it has 3 fans, Asus TUF Gaming graphics card, powered off AMD's Radeon RX5700 XT, the OC edition, 8 gigs of GDDR6, PCIe 4.0. Don't worry, it is backwards compatible with 3. Built off of AMD's 7nm technology, features fidelity effects, FreeSync 2 HDR, RDNA architecture. Along the side here, nothing major. Along the back, they kind of go over some specifications and everything, and I'll talk to you about that as I'm doing the unboxing. On the side over here, nothing much. And then down here, more of tech specs, serial number, UPC, and all that good stuff. So let's open it up real quick. All right, so plain black box engraved here, Asus in search of incredible. Okay, and nothing else along the side. Ooh, nice. I like the presentation. It's simple, but sexy. So take this top piece off. Okay, and okay. Unpacking steps down here, packing steps up here. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay, so they show you how to take it out of the box. That's pretty cool. Then if you want to pack it up, maybe to send it to a friend or something, that's funny. I'm gonna put this aside just for 1 second. This comes at the bottom, speed setup, thank you registration card, black on the back, graphics card contents. Okay, so this is going to go over basics on installing the video card. Don't worry, I'm gonna have a video just on how to install this video card coming up very soon. All right, let me put this aside. Look at that, it's a thick card. Don't worry, I'm gonna measure it. That's what she said. About the card, it's a big card. All right, so they say pull apart here. And then open it up here along the sides. Wow, that is some pretty awesome packaging. All right, so just again, I'm gonna put this aside. There's a little, seems to be a little box over here. Okay, well, it's nothing. Something there, I don't know what that's for. We'll get to that if we need to. All right, so then they have some foam in the back to protect it. So we can see this does have a protective backplate to protect against flexing and warping and GPU sag and everything. So pretty cool. And then of course, traces to get disconnected. And it is kind of sexy looking. We can see that TUF Gaming right along here, along with the TUF Gaming logo, serial number and all that good stuff there. Okay, we can see first off a 6-pin and an 8-pin PCIe connection. Yes, you need to connect them both. Right here, both of them. Okay, along the bottom here, we can see where you would plug into your motherboard. And it comes with the little Asus protection right over here. Make sure to take that off. Don't try to push this into your PCIe slot. It sounds dumb, but it happens. All right, and we can see along the bottom here, aside from the PCIe slot, which actually has a little Asus engraving right in there, which is pretty nice on the hook for the PCIe. So we can see down here, another grill as well as a heat pipe right in there. And then of course we could see it right along here, along the back. See the little cable there, and then the heatsink, how it goes into the card itself. This is, or feels like, a plastic shroud, but it feels super sturdy. This is a very sturdy feeling card. Then we can see right over here, it does come covered, but they give you 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The card does not bring any adapters, so if you need to go from HDMI or DP to DVI or VGA, you will need to buy separate adapters. And then we can see a little grill right out here to exhaust some air. Okay. Now you might notice, or maybe because you don't have a point of reference, these are a little bit smaller than normally, and they are actually 3 different size fans. I'm gonna go ahead and put down at the bottom of this video what size the fans are. Now, the reason they are smaller, this is Asus's Axial Tech fan design that has smaller hub for longer blades and a barrier ring to help increase downward air pressure. So if you'll notice right over here, not only they're just regular blades, but when you spin them, you can see right there, the sides also go with it as well. They're just not open blades. So I'm very curious to see, and we'll find out soon enough here, how well this cools. So aside from the ring, the hub, and the fins, it also does come with a 0 dB technology, so that until the card reaches 60 degrees, the fans will not turn on. So you'll turn on your machine, the fans will be completely off. When it hits 60 degrees, then the fans kick in to keep the card cool. You can see over here, there is these little indentions right over here, as well as the TUF Gaming right over here. Nice design. I really like the design of this card. All right, and then you'll see the heatsink right over here, the TUF logo right over here. This is the single point of RGB as far as I understand right now, but we'll find out soon enough. And the heat sinks, again, the PCIe connections. And you might notice again that it is a thick card. This actually takes up 2 slots in the back, but it will take up 2.7 slots inside of the case. So it will be blocking either another PCIe slot, a by 1, a by 4, or by 8, or by 16, or a PCI slot. So just know that it will block a 1/3. So it's essentially a 3-slot design. I guess if anything to match the 3 fan design. The card measures about 11.5 inches. And I am including this little piece right over here as well. Then it is including the PCIe. It is about 5 inches. Now, one of the major things about this card is it is a little over 2 inches wide. So this is a very thick card. It's about, a little over 2 inches, but yeah, this is a thick card. This will require a 600 watt power supply. This also comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great, just in case anything happens, of course. It also has 8 gigs of GDDR6 RAM, just to make sure all your power hungry games are covered right on here. Now, they also come with something that I haven't seen before. The card goes through a 144-hour validation period where they do all these different tests to make sure that when you get this card, it just works. So again, this was the unboxing of the Asus TUF-3-RX5700XT-8GB-EVO-GAMING card. Now stick around. Again, as I mentioned before, we're going to be doing an install video to show you guys, as I regularly do, from start to finish, how to install this card in your system and get using it. More coming soon on this. Stick around. Iggy out. See you guys.